Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros, and I got my good buddy over here, JD of Durham Power Wash. How you doing, my friend?
Doing very well, Jonathan. Thank you for the opportunity and for the chat.
Yeah, man, of course, man. It's always good talking to you. I'm glad that we work together, guys. JD's a really good guy. And so, yeah, wanted to get on here and hop on and him tell about his story of how he got in the exterior cleaning industry and also his experience working with us and any advice that he would have to any new and upcoming exterior cleaning businesses as well. Sound like a good game plan, JD?
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, then,
So
man.
very excited. We've been doing this about 5 years now. This is year number five for us,
Mhm,
and I came from a totally different uh, environment. I was in the IT sector field for
mhm.
about 22 years, and then the COVID came around. And so during COVID, started power washing. I had a machine and started power washing some of the homes in my neighborhood, and kind of thought, you know what, this will be something I should look into and see if there's any market around here for it. Is it profitable? What's all entailed into it? What's all involved? And I did that for a couple months and loved it, and went ahead and got a little trailer together, 5x8, and bought me two 5.5 machines and put a website together. I already had the IT background, so it was pretty easy for me to kind of get a virtual number, put a website together, get a Google profile together, and just started every house that we did. I would just give them a Google link, and so they would leave me a review, and that just kind of took off on its own. And here we are 5 years later, and so now we're very profitable. We're in a good place, and so there's no looking back now. So yeah, we're doing great.
That's awesome, man. So what was one of the biggest things? So I know when we first started working with you, I know you already had a lot of reviews established, all of that, based off the method that you talked about and guys needing to be patient. But
Yeah.
what was one of the hardest things? And it may not be hard at all, to be honest with you. You might be like, hey man, we just built it up over time. Because I know that for you guys have a lot of reviews. And so what was one of the hardest things of getting jobs when you first started?
Well, I think, believe it or not, it wasn't that difficult,
Mm-hmm.
because the smartest thing that I did was I came up with the name Durham Power Wash. And so that really helped out on the marketing side.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just getting a lot of organic searches, and people would just, they'd search for pressure washing in Durham, and I would just come up. That was just pivotal. It was just smart marketing at that time.
Mm-hmm.
I did get a lot of calls from Angie's List and some others. We did try that out for about a couple months. Um, and once we stopped it, we felt that it wasn't really benefiting us much. So we just kind of went ahead and just did away with that. But I did see this one company out there, Pressure Washing Pros Marketing, and which is yourself, Jonathan. And I heard of you guys for, I've seen you on YouTube a couple times for the past couple years. And I said, you know what, I'm going to reach out to these folks at the appropriate time. I just felt the first 2 years, we didn't really spend much on marketing at all. I would do business cards, I would do flyers, um, signs and so forth. But the majority of the marketing was just word of mouth, getting awesome reviews from customers. Um, we really, when I went out there and we were working, we did house washing, roof soft washing, gutter cleaning, pressure washing sidewalks, and so forth. Um, we really emphasized in doing a good job, because we knew that will get us more customers, and will definitely get us a 5-star review. So we started from the ground up, and here we are. We are now about close to 250 5-star reviews.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, man. And I still remember that day when you reached out. I was like, man, I've seen his business around. You know what I mean? And so I know the conversation that we had. And so tell them about like how it's been like working with us, I would say then, in terms of like your business. Because I will say this as a caveat, everybody's right. And I will mention something that JD will talk about in a minute. But see, JD was in a situation where he's right. His business was ranking pretty well even before us. So I will have that as a caveat because JD is a very smart guy. As you know, you had an IT background. But I know you reached out to us, man. Tell us like how it's been working with us.
Yeah, no, it's been great. I reached out to you guys late last year, 2024. I think we were kind of winding down for the season, and I knew I wanted to do something different in
Hmm.
2025. I wanted to upgrade the website and then get my SEO kind of in place. I had been managing our own website for all the way up to now. And I said, you know what, I need a different look. I want to go after a different clientele. I don't, I was doing some Google ads as well. And that was, I think they were beneficial here and there. We get some traffic from that. But reaching out to Jonathon and his company, we did a phone screening, um, and he pretty much learned about our business. I had researched him already. I saw multiple videos such as this, interviews with other pressure washing companies. They had great reviews about the company, how they were able to scale. And so that was one area where we really needed help with. We were kind of, we hit a kind of a plateau after about 3, 4 years. So we wanted it to go to take it up another level. Maybe we can increase our sales by maybe at least 25%.
Hmm.
And in speaking to Jonathon, he was confident, and not just being confident, but he showed me proof that he can take us to that level. So I was impressed, convinced, and I went ahead and put my dollars to work with Jonathon, and here we are. This pressure washing season, which is now coming to kind of an end, 2025. But the website came up around maybe March timeframe. And let me tell you, when he opened that faucet, April, May, June, oh man, I was bombarded with calls. I couldn't handle all the work, to be honest with you. I had to go out and find some other guys that I knew that were in the pressure washing business and just sub some of that work out because I was not going to say no to work.
Yeah.
And so it's been very fruitful, positive experience, and I hope to continue that with Jonathan and his crew.
And I hope to continue working with JD as well. Me, I
Absolutely,
love working with them. Our client success team always raves about how they like working with JD and how easy he is to work with. And
yeah,
yeah, I want to tell some of you guys out there that JD was in a position of where his website was ranking pretty decent without us. You know what I mean?
right.
Because of his expertise and what he knew. But I also tell people you don't want to downplay the conversion metrics of a website. You don't want to downplay additional traffic that sometimes you may not see. You know what I mean? In terms of me and JD were talking about it earlier where he was showing up for these AI searches now. And I know I love when you guys sometimes message me like, hey, Jonathan, what is this about? Because, it keeps me on my toes and makes sure that we're doing what we need to do as an agency to push you guys forward. And so I love when I see ChatGPT come up on your stuff, man, as that. And I know we were searching some of this stuff up. And so that is really good in that. And so yeah, I really appreciate you for telling that experience because there's other loopholes, not loopholes I like to say because that seems kind of gimmicky, but there's other things that you can do to optimize a website that's already ranking well. So for the guys out there that are like, oh, well, I don't know how much more I can get out of my website, it's like definitely you can get some more out of it if you're in that
Oh,
kind of position.
absolutely,
You know?
absolutely. And then to add to that, the onboarding experience, coming from an IT background and the way they kind of started the onboarding process of gathering the right information, putting things together in a proper way. I mean, in my case, I can really tell if a company kind of really knows their stuff, especially with technology. And I really felt that, you guys knew what you were doing, you're experienced, you're going to be honest as
Mhm.
well. That's very important for my business
Mhm.
and just in life general. But the onboarding process was great from the beginning, and it's still kind of although the website's in place, the marketing is in place, we're still kind of he's there. I'm receiving reports, monthly reports of where we're at, what can be changed. Sometimes I have ideas and I bounce them off of Jonathon, and he'll be honest with me and tell me, well, you may not want to do that. You might want to kind of reconsider this and that. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to add that onboarding piece.
Yeah, no, of course. We're always here to try to make you guys win in that sense. And so really appreciate your time, JD, when it comes to
Absolutely,
talking about this, man. And I want to see what next year really has in place. You know what I mean? Because I
absolutely.
know we got the website done in March, but now that we let things marinate with that, I cannot wait to see what barring nothing catastrophic with the world happens next year, right? But
Yeah.
I want to see what ends up happening, you know what I mean? Going into
Well,
year when it
and
comes.
and the other thing is that the year's not over. I mean, I think we're going to do very well with gutter cleaning
Yeah.
this year because I'm coming up in a lot of different searches, both organically and SEO and so forth. So the year's not over. For
Yeah.
us, it's not. I mean, we usually work throughout the entire year. There may be some instances where it's kind of the phone's not ringing as much as it was, but here at Durham Power Wash, we stay busy throughout the entire year. We get a lot of commercial work
Hmm.
in the fall and winter. We do have hot water pressure washers and all kinds of great equipment to knock out pretty much any kind of job that we're faced with. So the year's not over. So I know the numbers are going to be, just amazing for this year, and I look forward to 2026.
I do
So
too, man. I do too. And I know you'll get more commercial jobs in the wintertime as well. Just dominate that 10-mile radius.
absolutely,
I tell people we want to do that so nobody else can catch up to you in that area. You know what I
yeah,
mean? So that
yeah,
won't always
absolutely,
have you established in that foundation
yeah,
built, man. But like I said, thank you so much for your time, JD. I
absolutely.
really do appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to them personally and answer them and just any kind of questions that you guys may have. Yeah, and JD, like I said, keep killing the game. You're out here doing good work.
I appreciate you, man. We're grateful for all the work you've done for us. Keep up the good work, Jonathan.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'll
Appreciate
see
you.
you guys in the next video. Thank you, JD.
All right.